How to connect banana plugs to speaker wire. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect banana plugs to a speaker wire in a quick and easy way. Whether you're setting up a home theater or just want cleaner connections, this tutorial will help you get it done like a pro. Let's get started. Step 1. What do we need? First, here's what you need. Speaker wire, banana plugs, a wire stripper, and possibly a small screwdriver depending on your plug type. Step 2. Strip the wire. Start by cutting your speaker wire to the desired length. Then, strip it about half an inch, that's around 12 millimeters, of insulation of both ends. Step 3. Twist the copper. Twist the exposed copper strands tightly so they don't fray when inserting into the plug. Step 4. Attach the banana plugs. Unscrew the base of the banana plug, insert the twisted wire into the hole, tighten the screw to lock it in, and screw the base back on. Repeat for each end. If you're using a compression type plug, bend the strands over the collar and tighten the top to clamp it all together. Step 5. Connecting everything. Now you're ready to plug them in. Red goes to the positive, black to negative. Make sure the polarity matches on both the speaker and the receiver. And that's it. You've just connected banana plugs to your speaker wires. Clean, secure, and easy to plug in or out anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.